Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we break down the next big shifts in tech before anyone else. And today, oh boy, if you're thinking about upgrading your entertainment setup in 2025, Apple might be about to change your living room in a way we haven't seen in years. Because the Apple TV 2025 isn't just another refresh. We're looking at three major upgrades that could completely redefine how you watch, play, and connect at home. And trust me, if even two of these features go through, your current streaming box will feel ancient overnight. But before we jump in, quick warning, the third upgrade is the one nobody saw coming, and it might turn the Apple TV into something we've never had in a tiny $99 box. Stick with me until the end, you're going to want to hear this. Let's get into it. First up, the upgrade that will hit you immediately the moment you turn on the new Apple TV, a massive jump in performance powered by Apple's M-series architecture. And no, this isn't the usual faster chip, better loading times marketing speak. We're talking about a shift from mobile-class processors to something that edges dangerously close to laptop-level performance in a streaming device. Early leaks say Apple may move to the M3 family, the same chip powering full-blown Macs. Imagine navigating your Apple TV, launching apps, fast switching between games, even running advanced apps like pro-level streaming tools or AI-enhanced video apps, all without a hint of lag. For context, that's the equivalent of stuffing MacBook power into a palm-size box that barely uses any energy. And for gamers? This is the first time the Apple TV might finally tap into Apple Arcade's full potential. Higher frame rates, higher resolution textures, and what developers actually asked for, real performance headroom. The crazy part? Apple can now do all of this while keeping the price low because the M-series chips have already scaled into mass production. So for the first time, Apple TV might be the fastest device in your entire living room, even faster than some consoles when it comes to UI and app performance. But performance is just the beginning. The second upgrade, this one might actually be the reason many people buy the new model, is the introduction of a built-in camera. Yes, a native Apple TV camera. If you're imagining awkward smart TV cameras from 10 years ago, forget that. This is Apple. This is FaceTime ready, AI optimized, center stage powered hardware. And the moment you realize what this enables, the picture becomes a lot bigger than video calls. Think about this, full screen workouts with accurate motion tracking using Apple Fitness Plus. No more trying to angle your iPhone against a water bottle on your coffee table. Instead, the Apple TV becomes the center of your fitness setup. Or imagine interactive gaming that uses body movement, something Nintendo tried with the Wii, but upgraded to modern machine learning. Or seamless home monitoring when you leave the house. Or FaceTime calls with your entire family on your TV without using your phone at all. And here's the real genius. A built-in camera means the Apple TV can tap into Apple's ecosystem in ways never possible before. Yes, it could support Apple's new AI-powered features like gesture commands or background replacement for calls. And if Apple pushes deeper into AI with iOS 19 and tvOS 19, your living room becomes an AI hub the moment you turn on your TV. But again, that's still not the biggest upgrade. Because the third one? This could be the turning point that actually disrupts the streaming box market. According to insiders, Apple is planning to deliver a model at a shocking base price, $99. That's not just lower, it's lower than the Apple TV has ever been for the power it's offering. And if you think this is just Apple cutting costs, it's not. This is strategy. Apple wants the Apple TV to be the core of the smart home, HomeKit, security cameras, Matter devices, the new AI frameworks, fitness, gaming, communication, they all run better with a dedicated local device. So the cheaper Apple makes the box, the more people buy it, and the more devices Apple can control in the home. Think of it like the HomePod mini strategy: affordable device, long-term ecosystem lock-in. Except this time, the Apple TV becomes the brain of your house, not just a streaming player. A $99 price tag for a device with laptop-level performance, a built-in camera, and full integration with Apple's AI tools? That's T. He kind of move that forces Google, Roku, Amazon, and even Samsung to rethink their entire smart home roadmap. But here's where things get even more interesting, and this is the part most people are missing. A cheaper Apple TV doesn't just mean more users, it means more developers. And developers bring more apps. And more apps bring more reasons to use the Apple TV beyond Netflix and YouTube. Think productivity apps on a TV. Low-latency gaming streaming. Immersive workout tools. Remote conferencing for work. Even full-blown AI companions on the big screen. You can feel it. The Apple TV is shifting from a luxury streaming device to a powerful AI smart home hub. Something that sits quietly under your TV but runs half the digital life inside your house. And because Apple knows this next wave of tech relies on privacy and local computing, pushing a compact, powerful box into millions of homes is part of the long game. So, to recap without spoiling your curiosity. 1. We're getting performance that pushes beyond anything in its class. 2. We're finally getting the built-in camera that unlocks a new era of workouts, calls, and smart home features. And 3. Apple might be about to drop the most aggressive price the Apple TV line has ever seen, making this the streaming device to beat in 2025. And yes, we're just getting started. Because Apple is rumored to be testing even more experimental features behind the scenes. If you want me to cover those next, drop a comment and I'll make a deep dive video. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you love staying ahead of the curve and you want clean, no-nonsense breakdowns of the biggest tech leaks, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, stay curious, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.